Tragedy and rescue operations are underway on Mount Everest Tibetan slopes. 41-year-old trekker has died from hypothermia and altitude sickness in Mount Everest, while over 130 stranded hikers have been so far rescued. Hikers were caught in a sudden blizzard in the Lahuogao area of the Qilian Mountains in Qinghai province, nearly 4,000 meters above sea level during China's National Day and mid-autumn holidays. Fierce winds and heavy snowfall made rescue operations extremely challenging. More than 300 rescues have been made, including 10 teams with drones, horses and yaks, are still combing the mountains there for missing trekkers. So far, 350 people have been rescued, 300 are said to be still missing, over 200 are unaccounted for. Social media reports suggest hundreds more may be trapped in the Karma Valley. Many trekkers took shelter in makeshift tents, surviving on limited supplies as rescue teams battle snow altitude and freezing temperatures. In fact, massive search operation now continues across the icy slopes, Mount Everest, to bring every stranded climber to safety in one of the world's toughest mountain terrains.